Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create another YouTube channel with the same Google profile. In order to do that, first you need to go to your YouTube channel page and then go to your Google account menu. Your Google account menu is located in the right corner. As you can see, there are different menus there. We need to go to the settings menu. You can go to the settings through YouTube Studio or just click on the settings menu. In this video, I'll be going straight to the settings from my Google account menu. When you click on it, you'll go to your YouTube profile settings page. There, you just click on Add or Manage Your Channels and you can start creating your second YouTube channel. In order to do that, you need to write your channel's name, check the I understand on the terms of agreement, and then click the create button. When you click on the create button, you can see that your channel is created and you can start to upload your videos. What you need to remember is that the settings from your previous channel does not apply to your new channel and you need to set them again. So you don't have to worry if you change anything in your other channel, won't apply to this one. So we are ready and set to start upload our videos. If you need any other tutorials about YouTube or programming or just solving algorithmic problems, just let me know. Please click like and subscribe.